Hi, my name is John. I've been a patient of Dr. Ho's for over 5 years now. Originally met Dr. Ho after a back injury I suffered through work, and through that I've learned the values of chiropractic. I've been an athlete my whole life, playing baseball, basketball, and I now officiate college basketball, which keeps me on the road quite a bit. And without Dr. Ho, I wouldn't be able to keep it going. He keeps me in tune, in line, keeps me feeling good, especially with the rigors of the road and running up and down on the hard courts. I couldn't do it without him. Thank you.
Thank you, John. Appreciate it, pal.